Welcome sa zip9.com. In this video ay tutuloy natin yung ating series on factoring. And dito sa video na to, itutuloy natin yung pag-factor ng mga trinomials na mas complicated. So let's have one more example. We have factor 15y squared plus 11y plus 2. Okay? So, itong part na to medyo mahirap na siya kasi yung 15y squared, marami siyang combinations, no? So, ang factor ng 15y squared is 15y times y. Meron tayong 3y times 5y also. No? So, maraming combinations na siya, no? And then, meron ka pang factors ng 2, which is 1 and 2, no? So, ang posible dyan is 15y plus 1 tsaka y plus 2 or 15y plus 2 or y plus 1. O kaya 3y plus 1 tsaka 5y plus 2 and what else? 3y plus 2, 5y plus 1. So ito yung mga possible factors niya, no? So hindi natin i-check isa-isa. And you can check them yourselves kung alin sa mga ito yung factor nito. But I'm going to teach you a technique, no? Para mas madali na hindi kayo mag-trial and error na ganito. Mag-guess and check. Kasi for example, ito madali lang. Ito 4 lang yung possible factors. Kasi yung 2, 2 lang, no? Yung paano kung 2 ay for example 24 siya. So marami ang possible combinations, no? 1 and 12, 1 and 24, 2 and 12, 3 and 8, no? 4 and 6, no? Tapos pagbabalik na rin yung pa siya. So mas madami siya. So tingnan natin yung general form, no, ng quadratic trinomials. For example, meron akong ax, no? Bago natin i-factor to. Meron akong ax plus by times cx plus dy. So, gusto ko yan i-multiply. So, first, I multiply the first term, no? That's ac x squared, no? A times c is ac, and then x times x is x squared. And then plus, I also multiply the outside term. I have plus adxy, and then the inner term, which are these terms. I have bc xy, and of course my last term, maybe I have to choose another color, by and dy. I have a bdy squared. Okay? Now notice that if I multiply, pag in-expand ko nito, pag minultiply ko ito, what's the product? I have AC BD x squared y squared. However, if I also multiply this part here, what do I have? I have ADBC, and then x times x is x squared, y squared. So practically they are the same. They are the same, no? Yung sum, ito yung dalawang terms siya, di ba? This is the inner term, or this is the outer term, and this is the inner term, no? Pag multiply mo siya, kapareho siya nung product nung ito at saka ito. Okay? So, gamitin natin yung strategy na yan to factor this out, no? Ibaba ko lang to ng konti para kita natin. So basically, dito sa pag-factor na to, we factor by group, no, para makuha natin. Bali, ang kukunin natin dito is ito. At saka ito, yung dalawang yan, such that their product is equal to the product of the three terms. So basically, we're factoring 15y squared plus something, and then plus 2. Such that yung product nung kanilang, is 30y squared, no? First, their sum is 11y. No? Their sum is 11y. Their sum is 11. And their product is 30. No? Sum is 11, product 30. Ano yun? Ano ba ang mga factors muna ng 30? 30. We have 1 and 30, of course. We have 2 and 15. We have 3 and 10. We have 5 and 6. So, mukhang meron tayo, no? Pwede tayo dito sa 5 and 6. So, pwede natin sabihin 6y plus 11y. Also, plus 5y. So, nakikita nyo, this is the sum. These two are the sum. And their product, 5y tsaka 6y, is equal to the product of these terms. So, 30y squared, no? Okay. So, using this, we can factor out. Pwede natin i-factor out. No? We have, ano pwede i-factor dito? We can group, we have 15y squared plus 6y, factoring by grouping, no? Napag-aralan natin plus 5y plus 2. And then, yung 15 tsaka 6, ano pwede natin ilabas? Pwede natin ilabas yung 3, di ba? 15 and 6, merong common factor na 3, greatest common factor na 3. And then, y squared tsaka y, pwede natin ilabas yung y. Ang matitira dito sa loob, 5y. 5y times 3y is 16y squared, 15y squared, right? And then, ang dito sa loob is 2. No? This is 2 times 3y is equal to 6y, right? Plus 5y plus 2. Okay? Again, ibaba natin to. So, kung maalala nyo dun sa previous lesson natin, pwede natin i-represent tong para mas madali siyang makita. 3y, pwede natin i-represent yung 5y plus 2 by some letter, for example. Such as A, for example. Malaking letter A. Plus, this is another group. This is 5y plus 2. This is also letter A. So, pwede kong i-factor out yung A, di ba? So, magiging equal to A times quantity 3y plus 1, di ba? Kasi pag A times 3y times A times 1 is A, babalik sa dito, no? But again, A, we have 5y plus 2. So, pwede natin ibalik yan. This is 5y plus 2 times 3y plus 1. Okay? So, ito na yung pinaka-factor nito. No? Hindi tayo nahirapan mag-trial and error or hindi tayo nahirapan mag-guess and check. So, kung i-check nyo ulit, 5y times 3y is 15y squared. And then, yung outside term niya or yung outer term niya is this is 5y times 1, which is 5y. And then, yung inner term niya is 6y, 2 times 3y. 6y plus 5y equals 11y. And yung pinaka-last term niya is 2, which is here, 2. Okay? So, that's one example, no, of factoring quadratic trinomials. Okay, so meron pa tayong isang example kung paano gamitin itong factoring by grouping and using this idea, no? So, maraming salamat. Abangan nyo yung susunod na example.